What's going on, guys? My name is Shane and today we are doing our 2018 fall toddler clothing haul. So every season that rolls around, I gotta get my kiddo some new clothes because she's growing like a weed. So I have a few things to show you guys. She got a lot from her birthday and we had gone out and we had to buy some more. And then we went out again and we bought some more. And then we had to go get some shoes. So we got quite a bit to show you guys today. I think we're just gonna go ahead, dive right into our haul today because I have so much to show you. I think we're gonna start with shoes because they're already on the table and I was a little worried that I would forget to mention them at the end. So let's just go ahead, get those right out of the way. So I still have to go and buy her a little like black pair of boots. A lot of this stuff can be worn in winter, but we'll have our own like winter haul as well because she'll need some heavier items. We have a couple of fall shoes and the first pair are these little brown boots and they're so stinking cute. I might say stinking cute about 1,000 times in this video, so I'm sorry about that. But they do just zipper here in the back, so they're really easy to get on and off. I got her in size 9s. I figured that'd be a perfect size to get us at least through fall, because you know, once winter rolls around, she's not going to be able to really wear these. Then she found this pair of xoxo shoes, and I knew these weren't exactly fall shoes, but she fell in love with them, so we decided to get them. So these are little sneakers here. Oh, they're so cute. They Velcro right over the tops. So again, really easy to get in. I think I got these again in a size 9. But they have these big rainbow bows on the tops and Ella had picked these out. She saw them and she really wanted them, and every season I pretty much have to get her a new pair of sneakers as well. So that were these seasons. And then the last little pair of fall shoes that we picked up are so cute. They're these little pair of moccasins. These are really awesome because these are a pair of shoes that I can just kind of slip on her. You can even see the sole. She's worn these a couple times already, so we're definitely getting a lot of use out of these. So again, I'm gonna pick her up like a standard just black pair of little boots just so it matches some of the other outfits she has. But that was pretty much our shoes. So now we're gonna move on to clothing. I don't even know where to begin, so we're just gonna kind of jump right in here. A lot of these were gifted to me, so I've either seen them quickly or not at all, but I know that this top and these pants were a set, and I love the color of these pants. I love that like teal blue color. Also, this is a great opportunity for me to start folding stuff too, so let me take my screenshot and we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. Next, we have another set. I try to buy almost everything in sets as well this year, but I know these came from Mimi actually, so it's another little set, and they have the burgundy pants to go along with it. This is probably one of my favorite things altogether. I know that I bought this, and I want to say I got this at the children's place. It does have a pair of jeans to go with it as well, but it's this little plaid shirt. This is another piece that we've already found an opportunity to wear, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I actually wore my plaid shirt on the same day to be all matchy-matchy and cute and everything, and I love it. I don't remember if this was specifically bought with a set, but I always make sure that I get a couple of comfy pants for her. So I picked up some just gray sweatpants with sparkles all over them. With those in mind, I had picked up some sweatshirts as well. So we have this little Minnie Mouse pink sweatshirt with the gray and burgundy mouse in the front. And I like to get my sweatshirts slightly too big because I like to layer them on her as well. She just has a bunch of sweatshirts. I believe this it's almost like a camo print, not quite. But this one I think might be a tiny bit big. Yeah, it's like it's a size 6, so this is definitely gonna carry her over into next year, which is fine by me. This one's adorable. She got this for her birthday, and I remember what gift this came out of, but it's a little sweater dress. So I figured if it's not too cold out, we could throw this on maybe with a little jacket and some boots, and if it is on the colder side, just a heavier jacket and maybe some like fleece tights. We got a couple of dresses as well. Oh, I forgot about this. So this she could actually wear now while it's not too cold out. It's one of those, like, I've seen this dress a couple of times. I don't know what the style is called, but it has shorts underneath and like a big slit here, so as you walk, these kind of like waft in the wind, if you will. But it's really adorable, so I'm gonna keep this out because I really want to wear it before I really want to have her wear it before it gets too cold, of course. Even when the colder weather comes, I think I could definitely still layer this, but honestly, it seems kind of big for like a 4T, so I wouldn't be surprised if next spring we could get her into this as well. Honestly, it looks very big. We have this little two-piece set. So it has like this little jacket, and it's not too thick or anything, so I could put something very thin underneath it. And then it just comes with a matching pair of pink pants, and these are kind of like a almost sweatpants kind of material. Oh, this is so cute. I didn't even realize it comes with a little headband too. But we have this little denim dress with the blue lace, and then the back, of course, has some matching pants. These like sets are a lifesaver. They save me so much time in the morning too when I'm trying to like pack her bag to go to my mother-in-law's when I have work. They're a lifesaver, so I always try to keep them together. Even after washing them, I try to put them back on like the same hanger. Oh, this is so cute, and my daughter's obsessed with cats, so when she sees this, she'll love this. And it's kind of like a longer shirt with the ruffle on the bottom, and then again some matching pants, and these are kind of like gray leopard print pants. It's been a few weeks since I bought some of this stuff or I've looked at this stuff, so oh my gosh, this is really adorable. And this is another piece I didn't buy, but it has this floral print top with the pink arrow, and then of course comes with some gray matching bottoms. Oh, and it's so cute because it has like the little pearls on the bottom like the top has up here.
So how are you filming outside? And the lighting conditions you have right now are amazing.
I know. Nobody's bothering me out here
And
with
it's
my
like
bag of clothes.
you have all these leaves on the ground outside, but not another one has fallen since.
Screw off. So there are a couple more sets in here, so let's take a quick look. We have the star one. Oh, it says juicy. It says juicy on the breast. Oh, look at these pants. I didn't even see these pants. These are really cute pants.
Are you talking to me or them?
Both of you.
Oh.
She's gonna really enjoy these
Oh
pants.
my goodness.
I never saw these pants. These all came from her birthday, but it was so like quick.
That's
Just pulled
very
everything
cute.
out. Isn't that cute?
Oh, sure.
Oh, she's gonna love the pants. And then we have another little juicy top. And then it has, oh my gosh, these almost look like little khakis. I wish half this stuff came in my size. But we do have some more stuff in here. So we have little, these look like little pajama bottoms. They must come with some sort of top, so let's put those aside. Oh, I remember this sweatshirt, and the reason that it's kind of like inside out here is she tried it on. You can see the back. But we got this rainbow dash sweatshirt, so you see the hood. It has her rainbow mane, the little ears, and then it has just a graphic of rainbow dash in the front, like once you zip it up. But it's a tiny bit too big, so we could definitely get away with wearing it, but it's not quite the right size yet. Oh, she has a there's a jump rope in here. So this must be the top that went with the bottom. So I remember we did get a couple of sleeper sets, so this could definitely be considered like a winter haul, but it snuck its way in here, so we'll keep it in this haul. Little pajama sets here. We have this one with like all the speech bubbles. We have a little tiny pair of shorts. We have a little sleeper shirt with a pug on it, and it says, "It's a PJ movie and pizza kind of night," which is every night. We're nearing the bottom of our first bag, but it was the biggest bag, so we're making progress. I'm not gonna go over like basic jeans and stuff like that. We can certainly skip over that. Oh, I didn't even realize she had another little plaid top, but this one's cute. This one actually matches my plaid shirt that I own a little bit better. I just have a lot of white in mine, but it has a little sequined little pocket here. We haven't gone apple picking yet, so I'm definitely gonna be dressing her up in one of these outfits when we do go. I think she just got like a handful of graphic tees and some long sleeves as well. Glitter is my happy color. Are these shorts? Oh yeah, so okay, so we have a little pink pair of shorts, we have a little blue pair of shorts. This seems like a summer piece. Oh, it's cute though. It's a little flowy top. Surprisingly, that was the last of that bag. There's just a couple other little things left in there from her party, but for clothing, that is it. So next we're gonna move on to our next big bag, which if you have a Burlington near you, I recommend to all my moms to go here to buy your kids clothing, especially when you have younger kids who outgrow clothing so quickly. This is like, they have some name brand stuff, but they have, like, you could go in with $100 and get a ton of stuff for your kid, and I think that's so amazing because we're constantly spending money to put clothing on their back. So I feel like, you know, I'm that kind of person that I'd rather have a lot in like a selection than less and more expensive pieces. Does that make sense? Especially when you're clothing a 4-year-old. They don't need Gucci on them. So just a couple other sweatshirts in here. We have a Minnie and Mickey sweatshirt with Minnie on one sleeve, Mickey on the other. Make sure my girl is warm this season. This piece we've actually worn a few times. This is one of her favorites, and we wore it to my cousin's first birthday party, and it was a Flintstones theme party. I didn't even plan it, but we wore a leopard print dress to the party, and it was perfect. But this is one of her favorite pieces, and I allowed her to get it because it is, again, one of those pieces that you can layer. She has a little leather jacket, a little black tights and black boots, and she's out the door and she's gonna look so cute. So I didn't mind grabbing that for the fall. Oh, these were those pants, by the way, that went with the plaid, the first plaid shirt. It just has little embellishments on the ankles. This next set is also one of my favorites, and she has worn it once before. So it's like this military jacket shirt, but then it has, you know, of course, the pink flower, the pink tulle, the gold belt. It's not really a belt, it's just actually connected to the shirt, and then it comes with a floral print matching bottoms. Ooh, I forgot about this. This is cute. Apparently, I'm a big fan of military green, which I am. So I got her a little jacket that was not a winter jacket, but also not her denim jacket that she'll throw on if it's 60 degrees out. So something a little bit thicker, but not too thick. So I figured this was perfect. It does come with some more pants, which pants are always useful. I don't think it comes with, oh, you know what? I think it does come with a top. I didn't even notice that. And it says awesome. I didn't even know that when I bought it. I really enjoyed the jacket. Oh, I couldn't. I don't know what it is with the cats, but the cat stuff gets me. Is this not wicked cute? This is like a little suspender skirt. I love the color for fall, and again, the big kitty face, the ears, and then it comes with a long sleeve pink underneath top. And then we also got kind of a thicker dress, kind of like on that sweater material side. It's just a long sleeve maroon dress, has the big flower in the front. Again, figured I could throw her in like a little pair of white fleece tights, throw on a pair of boots, and we're out the door. Second bag is done. We actually just have this little, ooh, okay. I had this children's place bag, which a couple of these items came from. I thought there were more clothes in here, but I must have taken the majority of them out because the only thing left in here actually is a really cute piece, but it's just this little unicorn dress. This one is long sleeve, it's pink, and it has like unicorn graphics on it. It has little rocket ships, UFOs, shooting stars, hearts, just all things cute and girly. Alright guys, so I have quite a bit of work cut out for me. I gotta go put all of this stuff away and pack up the stuff that doesn't fit her anymore. Thank you so much for watching this year's annual fall haul. I am very much looking forward to the winter one too. We just gotta wait a couple more months for it to get real chilly, and then we'll be back with some more clothes. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and show me by leaving a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any new videos, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you never miss when I post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!